How best to clean and disinfect your home. Do you know how to clean your home? How best to clean and disinfect your home? Hello everyone, my name is Antoinetta and I want to use this opportunity to welcome you to another intriguing, informative and educative video. My aim is to give you tips on how best to keep your home clean and free from any diseases. I believe we all have heard of the coronaviruses, the whole world, the new epidemic making news headlines for the wrong reasons. I do not wish to spread panic, but to show you how you can keep yourself and your family safe from it in other diseases. There are times when a household needs a cleaning expert to handle the hygiene of a home. And I can say with confidence that there is no better time than now. I, for one, have been in the cleaning business for 20 years, so I know a thing or two about keeping places clean. I'll be talking from a practical point of view, so you are free to do more research and consult with the CDS, WHO and your local government agencies for more healthy tips. There is a common misconception I would like to clarify using this blog post, and it comes into a form of a simple questions. What is the difference between cleaning, sanitizing and disinfecting? Cleaning can be described as the act of making things look neat, tidy and attractive for the eye. It is all about the appearance, dust and dirt, and has nothing to do with the disease-causing organisms. Sanitizing can be seen as the deliberate act of killing a certain amount of diseases-causing bodies. This amount is mostly regulated by the public health agencies and your local government agencies. Sanitizers are the most commonly found among the three and can be found in almost every public place, doing the job of keeping people protected from harmful bodies. Disinfecting, on the other hand, can be described as the process of getting rid of all the disease-causing bodies at all levels using chemicals, heat or any other suitable methods. There are two types of disinfectants, which are the general disinfectants, which can be found in every store near you, and the hospital-grade disinfectants, which, as the name implies, are mostly used in hospitals. When should you disinfect? Regular cleaning requires mostly soap, water, and the cleaning brush or sponge. Hand mouth soaps can be made from mixing 2 cups of water, a few drops or half a teaspoon of dish soap, and some essential oils from aloe vera and other plants, and they can be used to clean the majority of surfaces regularly for health reasons. Remember, you should not always disinfect because some regular bacteria found around the house help to build your immune system. However, you can disinfect in instances where meat or food have been prepared, bathrooms and toilets have been used, and when you are around sick people. How should you disinfect? I'm going to share something with you. I have come up with a new concept on how to disinfect, and I call it the two-step process. The process suggests that the surfaces must be free of dirt and dust before disinfection can take place. Disinfectants are not designed to clean surfaces, but to fight and kill deadly organisms. So before you disinfect, ask yourself these questions. Have I cleaned the surface? I also want to talk about due time, which is the time it takes for disinfectants to do their job. The estimate time is at least minimum 5 minutes. Where should you disinfect? It's always advisable to disinfect points of contact, the places that are always being touched. These places include doorknobs, light switch plates, toilet flushes, remote controls, electronics, and other hard surfaces in the bathrooms, kitchens, and toilets. Even during laundry, the setting the knob to sanitary control and adding a little cup of hydrogen peroxide to your laundry water. Also, make use of steam cleaners if you have them. It's really good to have a steam cleaner at home so you can clean your floors with a steam cleaner. Most times, using products doesn't always mean you are using them well, so always read instructions before use. Forget what you see on the TV commercials. Try to stay health conscious and keep yourself and your family safe. This is my experience, and to summarize healthy tips for you, I hope this video can help you to stay germ and virus free in these times. So, if you're having hygiene challenges, this is exactly for you. If you like this video, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel. Hit the button like, share this video, and drop your views and comments below. So, till next time, stay green and clean.